back. It's been like a week, maybe a little bit longer. I still got videos to upload. Last week was not great whatsoever. I admittingly just kind of went backwards in terms of progress. I recognize it, but still wasn't a good feeling after doing it. So this week we're looking to get a fresh start. I did take a trade yesterday that I didn't record that got me funded. So this is a funded account that I will be trading on. Alright, of course I still gotta go through like the 5-day thing, the $200 5-day, whatever you want to call it. So I got me a new MacBook, one that should be able to kind of operate everything without sounding like a jet starting up. I got a mic, got a couple new desktops, so just kind of recalibrate a little bit and make sure everything was kind of smooth. Looking at some old videos, it was just kind of old Android camera-esque recording, super megapixeled out and everything. So I kind of wanted to upgrade my setup a little bit. So I got a camera. Well, I don't got a camera coming, but I am going to be ordering a camera as well. I'm still trying to figure out how to navigate everything in terms of just like streaming setup and whatnot. So I realize now that since I have 2 desktops and the MacBook, that I probably need a different type of connecting device if I wanted to utilize my MacBook, and then I also need some sort of keyboard. So that's what I found out. So we're still kind of building this out a little bit, but we're back. So it's gonna be hard because I'm not gonna be operating with the keyboard I'm not gonna be operating with with the keyboard. So no, that was a 3. I want to do 15. So let's see what we got. This is probably just a little retracement. This is kind of where I took the trade at. I got a little early because had I waited, it would have stopped me out, but I still made a decent return. In this short, I shorted around this. Kind of go to it a little bit. I shorted within this 1 minute fair value gap here, and then I took a partial here, another one at this swing low, and I was leaving the last one on to try to get just above this swing low here, but I kind of ended up getting out as it kind of reversed. But yeah, overall pretty decent trade. We'll see how this kind of plays out though. What do we got? A good 10-12 minutes before Asia open. So I just been kind of staying away too from just like trading a little bit, especially after the week that I had, to where I just kind of threw everything out the window, and then tilt just kind of took over a little bit. Luckily, it didn't take over to the point to where I blew an account, but I'm glad that I was able to recognize it, and I just want to improve upon that and just focus on what was allowing me to kind of go into that mental state, and try to avoid that. You're never going to be able to avoid it 100% of the time, but it's best to nip it in the bud when you realize it, when you catch on first. So I might even do like a live stream. I've been that's one of the things I considered when I first started, so I think I might just do a live stream one probably next week since this is a long week that I have my daughter. So We'll see. We're gonna be patient looking for a setup here. One thing I noticed right away is swing highs, failure swings on the swing highs. Although we are, let's check it out one more time. Swept below, reverse. We could be heading up towards this new day opening gap, but I just kind of want to see how it plays out. Since we didn't break any of these failure swings, we could be looking to kind of retrace into one of these fair value gaps before continuing up. So let me know how that mic sound too. I really like it. I can swivel it, move it out the way as need be. I gotta get a new mouse because my little roller thing it doesn't work. I had this mouse for like 4 years. So mouse and then a keyboard. Yeah. But we getting there. We getting there, y'all. I gotta go back and upload a lot of content and just my gotta go back and just do a lot of stuff. So we got a 3-minute fair value gap there. Kind of give it a little time. Yeah, the 15-minute volume imbalance here, another one there. Just like the 15-minute chart just sets up so much nicer, so much smoother, I feel like. And so we kind of came to this and rejected a little bit. Retracement. There, now I'll have to click between different time frames on just one screen. So yeah, I mentioned earlier about the fair swings here. We got another one here. I'm thinking of trying a short. I will target this swing low here. Well, obviously first this one, if an entry kind of presented itself, but then this one, and I would target this 5-minute fair value gap. We just kind of see if, you know, price plays out to where we can get an entry. You know, if that is the scenario that presents itself. If not, you know, we'll like to potentially see to run these equal highs. This is the last 5 minutes before, or is it? Yeah, the last 5 minutes before Asia opens. So we have an inversion here. Okay, I think I'm gonna try a short. We'll target the high of that. We'll see if it taps us in here. Just a little lower. There. So, looks like this. Risking 11.75. Just above the high of the fair value gap there. Let's see if it gives it to us. It might not. I might have to get in the market order. But we'll wait and see. As Asia opens, you might get that burst of energy. Okay. All right. Are you just opening in 10 seconds? Let's see. That kind of sucks, doesn't it? A little bit. So he just tapped into CE a 5 minute, and there's a 2 minute there. I hope I'm recording the right screen too. I don't like these wicks and how they neither one of them have been broken. To me, that tells me we could look to continue higher. We'll kind of see how it reacts when it kind of comes back up into this inversion here. It should tap me in. These look pretty. Those candles look a little energetic, and then the 15. We want to see more, so I even kind of step in. But the body versus the tail of the candles don't look too hot. So we have 22 seconds. Yep. Well, that's 0 for 1. Looks like we're getting ready to move. Have all this up there. Oh for 1 on the day. Alright. This will be my last trade today. If it fails, I'm targeting just below. Well, yeah, these equal highs, so hopefully it doesn't whip me around. Which you might be whipping me around, bro. So it's about to stop me out, it looks like. Maybe not. Now the head of these arrows kind of get in the way sometimes. All right, 0 for 2. Got whipped around a little bit today. No, that's okay. Just kind of wait and see what it does. Just hoping to get in and get out the market. I should have waited a little bit more before immediately hopping in, trying to catch the trend in the opposite direction. But okay, I'm about to hop off so I can record my session. So I'll be back on tomorrow or Thursday. Peace out.